Hi, in this video we want to create ocean without any plugins. So first we have the map room city modeling. We turn off all the layers because it would be too heavy if we turn it on. So we just keep the boundary layer, then we draw a plane and we increase the segments to 200 or 300, it depends on the area. Now we go to modifier list and add noise. So ocean has the big waves and small waves. So for the big waves, we add first noise and the scale should be high, and we tick on the fractal and then increase the strength in z-axis and tick on the animation box as well. Add the frequency and phase. So now we can see that the plane is moving, so we have to work with the scale and strength. Now we have to add push. So for this ocean effect, we have to give negative value to push parameter. And the amount of it depends on the final result. So we always come back to noise or push and add, increase or decrease any of parameters that we want to. So now we have to add another wave, which are the small waves. So we add another noise. We take on the fractal, scale, and strength. So for smaller waves, we have to reduce the strength but increase the scale. So it would be exactly vice versa of our big waves. So again, for big waves, we go to the first noise and decrease the scale, decrease the push, increase the scale of the small waves or the latest noise. So if you're happy, then we create another plane with a lower segment. So this one works as our earth, ground, and beach. So we add edit poly, and by selection the spray, we select the vertex. We have to turn on the vertex first, and we select the points that we want to delete, or we want to move it to bottom, so it would be under the ocean, under the water. So we have the slope. So we go back to ocean, we add edit poly, turn on the vertex, and we do the same. By using the spray tool, we select the points and the area that we want to delete it, because at first it was a rectangular plane. So we have to follow the boundary. We can also delete it, or we can move it to up or down, and then we turn on all the layers of our map room. So we see the city and all the boundaries. Now we can play the animation and see if there is any error. So in this case, we see that there is a gap between the ocean and the sand or the beach. So we have to delete that part, or we have to move it to bottom. So we have to make it more elevated. So now we have the ocean effect without using any plugins, just by using noise and push.